Disclaimer: this video is based on the complete NCERT exercise solutions of Class 10 Science Chapter 5, Life Processes. The purpose of this video is to educate students and assist them in their exam preparation. This video is intended for educational purposes only and is not meant for any commercial use. The information provided in this video is based on NCERT books. If any errors are found in the answers, please refer to the official NCERT textbook as the final reference. Chapter 5, Life Processes, NCERT Exercise Solutions, Full Explanation. Video Introduction. Welcome to this video on Class 10 Science Chapter 5, Life Processes. In this chapter, we will explore the essential processes that sustain life, such as nutrition, respiration, transportation, and excretion. We will also discuss why living organisms need energy, how they acquire it, and how waste materials are removed from the body. This video includes complete NCERT exercise solutions along with diagrams and equations to help you understand better. Let's get started. Question 1. The kidneys in human beings are a part of the system for A. Nutrition. B. Respiration. C. Excretion. D. Transportation. Answer. Kidneys are responsible for the removal of nitrogenous waste from the body in the form of urine, making them a part of the excretory system. Question 2. The xylem in plants are responsible for A. Transport of water. B. Transport of food. C. Transport of amino acids. D. Transport of oxygen. Answer. Xylem is a plant tissue responsible for transporting water and minerals from the roots to different parts of the plant. Question 3. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires A. Carbon dioxide and water. B. Chlorophyll. C. Sunlight. D. All of the above. Answer. Autotrophic nutrition, seen in plants, requires carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and chlorophyll to carry out photosynthesis. Question 4. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide, water and energy takes place in A. Cytoplasm. B. Mitochondria. C. Chloroplast. D. Nucleus. Answer. Mitochondria, known as the powerhouse of the cell, is the site of aerobic respiration, where pyruvate is broken down to release carbon dioxide, water, and ATP, energy. Question 5. How are fats digested in our bodies? Where does this process take place? Answer. Fats are digested in the small intestine with the help of bile and lipase enzymes. Explanation. 1. Bile, produced by the liver and stored in the gallbladder, emulsifies fats into smaller droplets. 2. Lipase, secreted by the pancreas, breaks down these emulsified fats into fatty acids and glycerol, which are then absorbed by the small intestine. Diagram. Fat digestion in the small intestine. Question 6. What is the role of saliva in the digestion of food? Answer. Saliva plays a crucial role in digestion by 1. Breaking down starch, it contains salivary amylase, an enzyme that converts starch into maltose. 2. Moistening food, it softens food, making it easier to chew and swallow. 3. Maintaining pH, saliva has a slightly alkaline pH, which helps in the proper functioning of enzymes. Explanation. When food enters the mouth, salivary glands release saliva, initiating digestion. Diagram showing salivary glands and their function. Question 7. What are the necessary conditions for autotrophic nutrition and what are its byproducts? Answer. Autotrophic nutrition requires 1. Carbon dioxide, CO, absorbed from the atmosphere. 2. Water, HO, absorbed from the soil. 3. Chlorophyll, present in chloroplasts, it captures sunlight. 4. Sunlight, provides energy for the process. Byproducts, glucose, CHO, and oxygen, O. Explanation. Plants use photosynthesis to convert light energy into chemical energy. Equation for photosynthesis. Diagram. Insert diagram of photosynthesis in plant leaves. Question 8. What are the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration? Name some organisms that use the anaerobic mode of respiration. Answer. Feature aerobic respiration, anaerobic respiration. Oxygen requirement requires oxygen, does not require oxygen. End product CO, HO, and ATP ethanol, Colorado, in yeast or lactic acid in mussels. Energy yield high, 36 ATP, low, 2 ATP. Examples. 1. Aerobic respiration, humans, plants, most animals. 2. Anaerobic respiration, yeast, some bacteria, human muscles, during strenuous activity. 3. Diagram comparing aerobic and anaerobic respiration. Question 9. How are the alveoli designed to maximize the exchange of gases? Answer. Alveoli have special features that allow efficient gas exchange. 1. Large surface area, increases diffusion rate. 2. Thin walls, short diffusion distance for gases. 3. Rich blood supply, ensures continuous exchange of O and CO. 4. Moist lining, helps dissolve gases for better diffusion. Explanation. Alveoli facilitate oxygen intake into the blood and CO removal from it. Diagram of alveoli and capillaries. Question 10. What would be the consequences of a deficiency of hemoglobin in our bodies? Answer. A deficiency of hemoglobin leads to anemia, resulting in 1. Fatigue and weakness, due to reduced oxygen transport. 2. Paleness and shortness of breath, insufficient oxygen for body functions. 3. Dizziness and irregular heartbeat, less oxygen reaching the brain and muscles. Diagram of red blood cells with hemoglobin. Question 11. Describe double circulation of blood in human beings. Why is it necessary? Answer. Double circulation means blood passes through the heart twice in one cycle. 1. Pulmonary circulation, blood moves between heart and lungs. 2. Systemic circulation, oxygen-rich blood is pumped from the heart to the body. Necessity, it maintains efficient oxygen supply and prevents mixing of oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Diagram of double circulation. Question 12. What are the differences between the transport of materials in xylem and phloem? Answer. Feature xylem phloem. Function transports water and minerals, transports food, sugars. Direction upward, roots to leaves, bidirectional, source to sink. Energy requirement no yes. Diagram of xylem and phloem. Question 13. Compare the functioning of alveoli in the lungs and nephrons in the kidneys. Answer. Feature alveoli, lungs, nephrons, kidneys. Function gas exchange, filtration and urine formation. Structure thin-walled air sacs, tubular structures with glomerulus. Role in homeostasis, maintains oxygen CO balance, regulates water and salts. Diagrams of alveoli and nephrons. Video conclusion. We have now covered all the important NCERT exercise solutions for Chapter 5, Life Processes. We hope this video helps you understand the key concepts and prepares you for CBSE Board Exams 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, subscribe to StudyGenieZeek for more helpful content. Let us know in the comments which topics you want us to cover next. See you in the next video. Thank you.